Doon pa lang sa mismong community nung Aquafan Village na condo natin, kompleto na.
Yung studio is how big?
23 square meters ang studio natin.
Alright.
Sakto sukat na, comfortable stay. Tapos,
Yung two-bedroom?
two-bedroom natin is 45 square meters.
And we have 68, right?
68
That's
yung PBR natin.
three-bedroom. Now, kaya nasabi ko, nagkakaubusan na. So if you want to see the place, guys, no, all you have to do is DM me or message me, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We can arrange a site trip for free. Okay, so you can see the condominiums. Makita ninyo, no commitment.
Sasama niyo na yung family or friends niyo para at least ma-experience niyo yung fun and enjoyment. A bit of the lifestyle pag ito na yung, dito na kayo, nasa Kamayan na kayo nakatira.
Ano pa ba yung mga ibang natin makikita sa Aquafan or sa
Sa Aquafan kasi, yung condos natin dyan, it's within the Aquafan Village. So, marami siyang components. Nandiyan yung water park, nandiyan yung dalawa nating hotel, yung Aquafan Hotel, tsaka yung third hotel natin, it's gonna be a budget hotel. So, marami nagabang din dyan. Plus yung mga residential condos natin. So,
marami, maganda, no?
doon pa lang sa mismong community ng Aquafan Village na condo natin, kompleto na.